Welcome back to this final session on convolution integral. In this session we are going to convolve two finite duration signals. So let us start with this example where h of t is equal to 4 u of t minus 2 and x of t is equal to 2 times u of t plus 2 minus u of t minus 2. As to start with, we have to first sketch this x of t and h of t. So the sketch of x of t exists from t is equal to minus 2 to t is equal to 2 and its amplitude is 2, whereas that of h of t exists from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 2 and its amplitude is 4. So let us sketch both of this. So this is x of t which exists from minus 2 to plus 2 and its amplitude is 2, and h of t exists from 0 to 2 with its amplitude is equal to 4. Now the left hand and the right hand of y of t, the left hand is minus 2 because the left hand of x of t is minus 2 and the h of t is 0. So minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2, and the right hand of y of t is right hand of x of t, that is 2, and the right hand of h of t is 2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Now both of these let us sketch it with respect to tau and reflect h of tau about the origin and sketch h of minus tau. So here I have sketched it. For t is equal to 0, you observe here that these two overlaps from minus 2 to 0. Now to evaluate the convolution integral, that is y of t is equal to integration from minus infinity to plus infinity h of tau x of t minus tau d tau, what we have to do is we have to start with the leftmost end of y of t and then go on shifting the h of t minus tau towards the right side by an amount of t and see how this h of t minus tau and x of tau overlap to each other and how this product h of tau into x of t minus tau exists, and we need to obtain the y of t at the various values of t. So we have to divide this entire duration of overlap, and the way this h of t minus tau overlaps with x of tau into the different durations of time and evaluate the integral in between durations of the time to complete this convolution integral. Okay. So what is your observation? How many durations, that time durations that you get? And if you start with the left end, how do they two overlaps, this h of minus tau and x of tau? So presently entire h of minus tau is overlapping with x of tau at t is equal to 0. So at t is equal to 0, it is overlapping is from minus 2 to 0. When I start it from t is equal to minus 2, that is if I sketch this h of minus 2 minus tau, then this h of minus 2 minus tau will be existing from minus 4 to minus 2 and will be having the overlap at only minus 2. Beyond this, to this side, you observe that the two, that is x of tau and h of t minus tau, they do not overlap with each other, and this product x of t minus tau and h of tau is 0. So this integration also will be 0. So that is for t which is less than minus 2, the integration, this integration is equal to 0. So y of t is definitely 0. Now for t greater than or equal to 2 and up till this 0, if we go on shifting from minus 2 up to this 0, what is your observation? How do you observe? So suppose that this is existing from minus 4 to minus 2 and we go on moving this h of minus 2 minus tau along this axis of tau towards the right side. How is the overlap? So you will observe that this is how these two overlap. So this end of h of t minus tau, we can designate it as t minus tau and this end as t, because you have observed that for when t is equal to minus 2, this end was minus 4 and this is minus 2, that is when at t is equal to minus 2. When t is equal to 0, that time this was minus 2 and this end was 0. So in general for h of t minus tau, I can say that this end is t minus 2 and this end is t. So another relationship you observe here, this is u of t minus u of 2 minus t minus 2. So here accordingly you get this ends of this h of t minus tau. So these edges where there is a change in the amplitudes. Okay. Now here in this case the overlap is from, so for this region where t which is greater than or equal to minus 2 and less than 0, at 0 you observe that the entire width of this h of t minus tau overlaps with this x of tau. So before that, that is little bit smaller than t is equal to 0. Up till that, what is the observation of overlapping duration? You will observe that the overlap is always there in this duration from this end up to this end of h of t minus tau and this end of x of tau, that is from minus 2 up to t. So the integration, we shall write it as amplitude of h of t is not e raised to tau, but it is 4. So I had made a mistake here, copy and paste in the slides. So here I have corrected it. X of tau is equal to 2 and h of t minus tau is 4. So in the integral equation, integration from minus 2 to t, and this x of tau is 2 and h of t minus tau is 4. So this is 8 d tau, and it is constant, and the integration of this constant is t, and then substituting integration is tau, and then substituting these limits, upper limit is t and lower limit minus 2, you will get y of t is equal to 8 into t plus 2. This is for the region t varying from minus 2 to 0. Now for 0 onwards, so at 0 you observe that this entire width of this overlaps. So if we go on moving this up to another 2 times, that is when this 0th end appears at this 2 end. So it is another 2 times. If I shift to this side, up till that this entire width will be overlapping with x of tau. That is for t which is greater than or equal to 0 and less than 2. You observe that this whole width is overlapping with this x of tau. That is, the overlapping is from t minus 2 to t. So x of tau is 2 and h of t minus tau is still 4, only the limits are changed, that are from t minus 2 to t. Integrate and substitute the limits. So answer is y of t is equal to 8 into t minus t plus 2, upper limit minus the lower limit. So this is constant value, that is y of t is equal to 16 for t between 0 to 2. Now for t greater than 2 and up till we pass this age beyond this 2, that is another 2 times, if we shift, this h of t minus tau will pass this age of x of tau, that is at tau is equal to 2. So at the time this shift will be at 4, t is equal to 4 at that time. So if you observe, if we go on shifting it from this position of x of tau, that is from here to here onwards, if we go on little bit shifting to right side, observe that the overlapping is always there from this end of h of t minus tau up to this end of x of tau, that is t minus 2 to 2. So we write this integration from t minus 2 to 2, and this amplitude is still same, that is 8, only limits are changed. So 8 into tau, t minus 2 to 2, upper limit is 2, lower limit is t minus 2. So this is equal to 8 into 4 minus t. So overall y of t is equal to 8 into t plus 2 for t varying from minus 2 to 0, and is 16 for t varying from 0 to 2, and it is 8 into 4 minus t for t varying from 2 to 4, and is equal to 0 otherwise. Otherwise means t which is greater than 4 and t which is less than minus 2. This y of t is equal to 0. Now let us obtain the step response of the system if impulse response is u of t minus 2 times u of t minus 1 plus u of t minus 2. Now step response means we have to consider x of n is equal to u of t, and h of t we have to sketch this from these 3 shift word versions of unit steps is that we have to sketch h of t. So what I do is I will sketch this h of t with respect to tau, X of t is a unit step signal, and we reflect it about the origin and sketch it as x of minus t instead of wasting much time. Now directly we sketch this with respect to tau. So h of tau to sketch, this is u of t, and from that if you subtract 2 times u of t minus 1, what you get is from 0 up to 1 the amplitude is plus 1, and afterwards from 1 onwards the amplitude is minus 1, and at t is equal to 2 again you add 1, so there it becomes equal to 0. So see here, so u of t minus u of t 2 times t minus 1, so from here to here amplitude is plus 1, that of u of t, then from this 1 you subtract 2, so you get minus 1 amplitude, and when you come at 2 you add in that again u of t minus 2, so resultant become equal to 0 here. So this is h of tau, and this is x of minus tau. Now overlapping, if you observe, for t less than 0 these two do not overlap, and therefore the product will be equal to 0. And for t which is greater than 0 and t which is less than 0, we need to shift this to this side up till t is equal to 1. What is the observation? This is the teeth end of x of t minus tau. We go on shifting, and you will observe that the overlapping is from 0 to t. This is up to t is equal to 1. So that is from 0 to 1 it is. After 1, if you go on shifting this to this side, that is to right side, you observe that there are two amplitudes of this h of tau. This from 0 to 1 this is plus 1, and 1 to 2 it is minus 1. And beyond this 2, if you observe, again if you go on shifting this, every time this product will exist from 0 to 2, in that 0 to 1 the amplitude is plus 1, and 1 to 2 the amplitude is minus 1. So let us do it in the region wise, that is, one region is where t is in between 0 to 1, other region is when t is in between 1 to 2, and then the t which is greater than 2. So let us convolve in this region of t which is in between 0 to 1. So s of t, the step response of the system, is equal to integration 0 to t. Now amplitude of both this is 1, so this is product is 1 into t tau. So this is tau, and when you substitute the limits you will get s of t is equal to t. Now in the range of 1 to 2, 1 to 2 you observe that integration from 0 to 1 this amplitude is 1, and 1 to t this amplitude is minus 1. So 0 to 1 d tau, and then from 1 to t it is minus 1. So the integration of this is tau, and then when you substitute the limit of this is 1, and of this second part it is minus of t minus 1, so this minus t plus 1. So overall s of t is 2 minus t. Now for t which is greater than 2, the overlapping always is between 0 to 2, and these limits of integrations are from 0 to 1 the amplitude of product is 1, and 1 to 2 the product amplitude is minus 1, so this minus sign, integrating and the substituting the limit, you will get this as 1 minus 2 plus 1, and the overall s of t, if you see here in this range, it is equal to 0. So s of t, I write it is equal to t for t varying from 0 to 1, and it is 2 minus t for t varying from 1 to 2, and it's 0 otherwise. So thank you very much for your patience hearing.